In this section, we'll discuss how to combine all the types of concurrency we've already discussed into a concurrency-ready, concurrency-centric architecture. In this video, we'll define and discuss the general idea of concurrent architecture. Concurrent architecture is a software development pattern that takes concurrency as its central method of solving problems, whereas object-oriented architecture makes hierarchy its central structure, and functional architecture makes pure functions its primary abstraction. Concurrent architecture structures programs around concurrency strategies. Concurrent architecture works very well on modern hardware because it enables and incorporates all aspects of concurrency we've discussed in the past. It uses data parallelism for rapid data processing, I/O concurrency to speed up I/O operations and free up the CPU during periods of I/O waiting, and task concurrency to improve multitasking and throughput, and provide computations to be done during that freed up CPU time. The key to concurrent architecture is taking a layered approach to concurrency. We do this by defining small, self-contained operations that acquire data, process it in some way, or emit it from our system. Then we connect these operations using channels and flow control. In the next video, we'll discuss how data parallelism fits into our concurrent architecture model.